Hi everyone. I don't know if this shot's going to work or not. It's something I've been trying to have a go at for about 3 months. Here's my FX Wildcat Mark III in 177 calibre. Let's just go down the garden. Down here I've got a John Smith's beer can. Mrs. Tin Can dropped this one on the floor a while ago and it dented the top. So I'm going to try to shoot the very top of it. Let's just put this camera down here somewhere. Let's see what we can see. That should do. I'll lock that one in place there. I've got my slow-mo camera over here. Let's just start this one up. And we'll start this recording. And we'll go back up the garden. Right, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I'm hoping that the pellet hole through the tin will actually cause enough decompression to allow the can to activate the widget inside the can. Just move that. Pull this back here a bit. Right, what can we see? Okay, let's take a bit of a zero-in shot. Let's have a go at the right hand stick and see target. That's pretty close. Let's try the next one. Oh, I pulled that. That's a bad salvo. Let's try the second one down on the right hand side. That'll do for me. Probably a touch high. I'm usually zeroed at a little bit further distance than this. That target is about 22 metres away. I'm usually zeroed at 30. Let's try the third one down. Yeah, it's good enough. Okay, let's have a go at John Smith. See how this goes. Trying to get it somewhere near the top of the can. From here that looked pretty good. It didn't just squirt out of the entry and exit hole, it completely exploded. That looks good to me. It's just there's no need to put this on safe because it's not cocked, but I will take the magazine out and I'll fire this blank shot off. Let's go and collect that up. That looks messy to me. Yeah, that looks pretty messy. Let's just take this camera around and have a look around the back. What happened around here? Oh, I would say that is pretty much exploded. Any more for half a beer? Looks pretty good to me. Right, we'll take everything back up the garden and see if they've made a mess of the wall as well. Nice bit of beer. It's good for the garden apparently. Oh well. I'll go back up the garden. So, get in the video to see how we go on. There's the beast. Thanks for watching.